My name is Glenn Surratt. I'm doing the 18th edition Wiring Regulations. The next step is to get a job back being an electrician, and to do that now every employer asks you to have an ECS card. To gain my ECS card, I've got to have the 18th edition along with a couple of relevant health and safety courses that allow me to renew my ECS card. 18th edition is a prerequisite. I'll do that and then I can start working as an electrician again. This is the second time I've been to this training centre. I've done my high voltage switching course here last year. Great centre. Accessible, friendly, helpful staff. The facilities are second to none. I went online to find PASS. Originally I'd done my high voltage switching course with another centre. It was very antiquated, old, that was kind of not relevant to modern day. I came here, the course itself was tremendous, informative, and like I say, with more up-to-date equipment. And I just thought, from then, PASS ticked every box the first time, why wouldn't it this time? I would definitely recommend PASS. There's been no issues, no problems with either course. If you're considering booking a course, you've got a very detailed online list of what are the courses that they do, the kind of avenues that it would take you down if you're looking for that sort of work. What I found was when I rang them, because I spoke to them about my 18th edition course, they were very helpful, as in, if you haven't got this, we can help you with this, we can do this. Very easy decision to make.